Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2016 Subaru BRZ. This is a single owner, clean title, clean Carfax car. It's got 12,000 miles on it. We can finance it through Cuttle. We can put an extended warranty on it out until 100,000 miles, and we welcome trades. So we bought this just kind of on a whim. It's been modified. It's got an Edelbrock Supercharger on it. It's got an STI body kit, side skirts, and front spoiler, which you can see. It's got modified suspension, does have stock wheels. It's got same length headers on it, which is uncommon for Subaru. Typically those are one's shorter or longer than the other one, so a little more expensive. It's got Perrin exhaust on it. It's got a short shift on it. It's got a tune on it, and it is in super clean condition. It's got privacy. The windows have been tinted, so it's got smoke tail lights. It sounds fantastic. So it's funny, this originated out of, I think it was Puyallup, Washington, and was sold into Tennessee, where it lived, and then we found it, can't remember how we found it, and but once we started looking at the build, the Supercharger alone is a $6,000 package before it's installed. The Perrin exhaust and then headers is probably another $2,000 before installation. So that rocker panel was damaged. It might have been done in transport, so I'm going to replace that. So that will be replaced. I mean, it looks like I have to buy an entire set, and so there will probably be an extra driver's side because the driver's side is clean. So super clean. And of course the blue is a premium and favorite Subaru color. So we have the books, and I've got 2 master keys and the valet key. So there's a driver's side door, very clean. I mean, there's no signs of wear and tear. The car itself is immaculate. So there's your seat, driver's side seat. No wear or tear on the bolsters. The back seat, which I'm just going to assume in any BRZ you're looking at, because nobody's ever going to get back there, should be in great shape. So let me put that back a little and get in. So I'm going to start it, and I'm going to roll down the window just because it sounds really good. The Perrin exhaust is a really nice addition to this. So I've got carbon fiber. It's actually, they listed as faux carbon fiber on the window sticker, which is funny. Super nice. So sounds pretty good. So I will, I'm going to roll the windows up now, just because you've heard it. Turn the lights on. So center console is really clean. You have traction control and VSC, which is stability control. It's got a short shift in it. It's got, see if I can get the lights up. There we go. Air conditioning. You have a touchscreen interface here, so you have streaming audio, streaming Bluetooth. You've got a couple apps in here for Pandora, Starlink. You do have a backup camera, surprisingly enough, on this thing. There you go. And then everything else is pretty straightforward. Bluetooth settings. Not a very complicated system. No nav. You do have cruise control, which is down here. Wipers. I mean, everything else is kind of standard. You can see 12,655 miles. Your trip stuff over here, button. I mean, there isn't really anything else. There is no sunroof, and that's typical. So there's your passenger side door and seat, which are clean. We do have the set of books, which are in here. Sunroofs, you don't typically see them just because of the structure. It's the solid roof is a better, just performs better under more aggressive driving conditions. So there's not, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I don't usually do this, but I am going to, in this circumstances, I'm going to go and I'll pull the hood open and show you the stuff in there. Turn the lights off. So whoever did it right, and spent a bunch of money on it, and the undercarriage is super clean. So E-Force is the cover, and if you're not familiar with that, that's Edelbrock. You can see the headers down there, and then the Edelbrock, the Supercharger comes with the air intake. You can see the rest of it. So I do have pictures of all the VIN tags. They are all intact and legible. That's that little black and white dot you see on each of the panels, and you see one there on the hood. Fairly important on anything that's been modified. You want to know that it's stock and a bunch of panels haven't been replaced. So this looks like it was well cared for, and certainly the modifications were done correctly. Super nice little car. So anyways, again, we can finance it through Cuddle. We can put an extended warranty on it. We welcome trades. If you have any questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.